response to staff asking about the recipes we are making in classes with our new curriculum. They were asking how they made the new dishes, what the new dishes involved. So we suggested to the staff that we would have a session where they could come along, try the dishes, cook them, meet other members of staff, and then take the food home with them. So it's been a really good session. We've had 2 up to now. Staff are coming along, enjoying the food and having a really good time. And we're hoping to do many more in the future.